In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure an n8n workflow specifically designed for backing up your vital data. This task is crucial for ensuring the security and accessibility of your workflows, so let's dive right in. To begin, we need to set up a schedule trigger node within n8n. This step is foundational as it determines how often your backups will occur, whether daily, weekly, or any other interval that suits your needs. Simply locate the schedule trigger node in your n8n library, and from there, you can specify the frequency settings. Make sure to think through how frequently you'll want these backups to run, keeping in mind the importance of having up-to-date information without overloading your storage or network. Once the schedule is set, the next move is to export your existing workflows. To do this, you'll add an n8n node, often referred to as the n8n node, which enables pulling all of your workflows seamlessly. Here, you'll configure this node to export these workflows in the form of JSON files. JSON is a versatile format, suitable for handling the structured data that makes up n8n workflows. Ensure that your connection to n8n is appropriately authenticated so the node can retrieve all the necessary workflow information effortlessly. After successfully exporting the workflows, you proceed to process the data for GitHub storage. This is a vital step, as it involves preparing the JSON files for their final destination in your GitHub repository. You may find it necessary to reformat the JSON data, or perhaps even generate separate files for each workflow. This step can be particularly handy for organization, as maintaining individual records for each workflow can simplify locating and managing specific backups later on. Now, throughout this process, maintaining clarity on your organization within GitHub is essential. Ensure your repository is organized in a way that makes it easy to locate different workflows when needed. For instance, consider creating a directory structure based on the project, client, or another naming convention that reflects your organizational needs. Remember, the main goal here is to develop a system that not only periodically backs up your workflows, but also sets them up in a way that makes it easy for you to restore or review them when necessary. As a final tip, it's always a good practice to test your backup system. Before relying on it entirely, run a few test backups and restores to confirm that everything functions as expected. Identifying any snags or issues early on can save a lot of headaches down the road. There you have it, a straightforward yet comprehensive way to configure your n8n workflow for reliable backups. It's all about setting the right schedule, ensuring data exportation in a usable format, and organizing everything neatly for future ease. Thank you for joining me today, and happy automating.